Welcome, wonderful dreamers. Today I'm collecting seeds. Being able to plant and grow and then harvest seed to start the cycle again is really satisfying. The first seed I'm collecting is sweet basil. The basil's plant sends up a flower spire, and once it dries, it forms a seed capsule. Inside the capsule are the little black seeds. There are 4 seeds per capsule. A single basil plant can produce hundreds of basil seeds, with each generation becoming a little more adapted to the local climate. An excellent collection. Now for some carrot seed. I did not expect one flower stem to give so much seed. I couldn't even estimate how many there would be from one carrot that produced several umbels. An umbel is a flat umbrella-shaped cluster of tiny little flowers. When the umbels start to dry, they also start to curl inwards. And each tiny flower then develops one seed. I think it looks weird. Each carrot has the potential to produce thousands of seeds. I should have left the umbel to dry a little longer. The little hairs sticking out of the seed aren't dry enough and the seeds clump a bit more. I have some dry seed to show a comparison. Dry seed. Seed that still has moisture. I'll put it on the shelf until it's dry enough to be put in packets. Now for the zinnia flower. Another flower that is a bunch of little flowers. And they are so pretty. What looks like a petal are actually tiny flowers, with each one producing a seed. So the bit I see as a petal is a ray floret, a flower, and the seed part is called a cypsela. Apparently this means each zinnia flower head is made of many tiny flowers. Each tiny flower can produce a seed, with each seed containing the potential to grow a new zinnia plant that contains many zinnia flowers. I'm removing the flower part and keeping the seed part. It is supposed to store better and reduce moisture risk. However, I will keep a few flowers with them until they are labeled, as a reminder of which zinnia seed they are. Hi, Max. Before I put them in packets, I will leave them in jars for a week, to make sure they are completely dry to avoid mold issues. Not only is the zinnia a beautiful flower, and a great cut flower for bouquets, they are a pollinator magnet. A free, all-you-can-eat buffet for bees and butterflies. They are fast-growing, hardy and forgiving, so super friendly for beginners. Plus you can get them in some amazing colors. What are your thoughts, wonderful dreamers? Do you save seeds? Do you have a favorite zinnia? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you had a good day.